Hi everyone, this is Nico from qTools, and I'm here today with our quEDU control unit, which lies at the heart of all of our educational products and is also the brains of all of them. Also with me, I have one of the experiment boards that are connected to it. In this case, I have the quEDU NV, but you can of course also connect the quEDU ED for the entanglement experiments. Concerning the quEDU control unit, it features a large touch panel on the top side, so you can actively control everything, and we have a very nice usability. And also it's a detection unit, so in the back side we have 4 fiber connectors to connect the different experiment boards. All of them can either be connected to a fast photodiode inside if you have a lot of light, but also to single photon detectors if you have just single photons to detect. Also on this side we have up to 6 digital data connectors with which to connect to the experiment boards, so the two systems can talk to each other. Inside the control unit we have the technology from our QTech series, which means that we also have a very nice time resolution for your experiments. So now let me quickly show you the NV center setup. It sits under laser safety cover that you can just take off. And then under the hood you can see the different components that we have. Basically from this side we have a green laser diode that is fiber coupled, going out like this, hitting a dichroic mirror. It goes into an objective and is focused onto the sample, which sits in this small cage over here. Basically inside there is a micro diamond with a lot of NV centers. So we have an ensemble of NV centers here that is going to be illuminated by the green laser. What is happening is that there's fluorescent light being produced by the NV centers, and this fluorescent light is collected by the objective again, goes back through the microscope, and it passes the dichroic mirror, is transmitted through it, and in the back here we couple it into a multimode fiber. This fiber is then being connected to our control unit. We have another fiber here, which is exactly opposite of the green laser diode, and this is used just to compensate for fluctuations in intensity of the green laser. Also, what you can see on the cage is 3D magnetic field coils that you can control electronically to induce a magnetic field, so we can have a look and observe the different magnetic properties of our NV centers. And also inside there's a microwave antenna, so we can stimulate the NV centers with microwave frequencies as well. All of this is mounted onto a 2D stage, which is motorized, and the objective can be shifted in order to correct the focus as well.